Question: if a comma b comma c are real numbers such that a square plus b square plus c square is equals to 1, then show that minus 1 by 2 is less than or equals to AB plus BC plus AC is less than or equals to 1. So this is the question. Solution: so to prove this one, what I do is I will consider a square and b square. For these two quantities I will apply arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. So for a square and b square, apply arithmetic mean is greater than or equals to geometric mean. Then what you get? A square plus b square by 2 arithmetic mean is greater than or equals to square root a square b square. That is, a square plus b square is greater than or equals to this 2 square root a square b square is ab, 2ab. Similarly, apply am is greater than or equal to gm for b square c square. Then what you get? Directly we can write b square plus c square is greater than or equals to 2bc. Similarly, apply for c square a square. Arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean for c square a square. Therefore, c square plus a square is greater than or equals to 2ac. Now, this is 1, this one is 2, this one is 3. Now add these three inequalities. Then what you get? This implies a square plus b square. If you add, then b square plus c square plus c square plus a square is greater than or equals to 2 times AB plus BC plus AC. This implies here this is 2 times a square plus b square plus c square is greater than or equals to AB plus BC plus AC. Sorry, 2 times AB plus BC plus AC. These two cancel. This implies, then what you get? A square plus b square plus c square is greater than or equals to AB plus BC plus AC. So, but in question it is given that a square plus b square plus c square is what? 1. Since a square plus b square plus c square is equals to 1 given. Therefore, here put a square plus b square plus c square equal to 1. That implies, then what you get? AB plus BC plus AC. If you put here 1 is less than or equals to 1. This is the first part of the solution. Next, second part is, that is AB plus BC plus AC is less than or equal to 1. This part we got. Next, second part. For second part, what I do is I will consider this one, A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C whole square is always greater than or equal to 0. Yes or no? We know this one, a plus b plus c whole square is greater than or equal to 0. So if you expand this one by using a plus b plus c whole square formula, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac is always greater than or equal to 0. Now a square plus b square plus c square is given as what? 1. Therefore 1 plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ac is greater than or equals to 0. That implies 2 times ab plus bc plus ac is greater than or equals to minus 1. This implies AB plus BC plus AC is greater than or equals to minus 1 by 2. So this is second part of the solution. That is this one, AB plus BC plus AC is greater than or equal to minus 1. So from 1 and 2 you will get the required inequality, that is from 1 comma 2 you can write AB plus BC plus AC is less than or equals to 1 and greater than or equals to minus 1 by 2. This is the proof.